The Madras High Court recently imposed a severe financial penalty on two women police officers. Justice L. Victoria Gowri ordered both officers to pay 1 lakh rupees each from their personal savings as punishment for dereliction of duty. The case began when a father sought help at their station, reporting a 10 lakh rupee dowry demand that had ended his daughter's engagement. Justice Gowri levied this fine specifically to penalize the officer's decision to ignore the victim's plea for a formal investigation. Instead of registering the crime at the station, these officers chose a different path. They functioned as informal mediators, attempting to broker a private cash refund between the two families. Once the money was exchanged, the police closed the matter without creating any official record of the dowry demand. By acting as arbitrators rather than law enforcement, the police effectively shielded the suspects from the legal system. This use of police mediation violates a decades-old precedent set by the Supreme Court of India. This is known as the Lalita Kumari mandate. Under this ruling, any complaint involving a cognizable offense, severe crimes like dowry harassment, requires the police to file a First Information Report, or FIR, immediately. The ruling explicitly forbids police from refusing an FIR based on their own assessment of a victim's credibility. The Supreme Court removed all police discretion to ignore or negotiate complaints involving these serious crimes. This mandate is now reinforced by the new criminal codes, the BNS and the BNSS. Section 85 of the BNS defines dowry harassment as a cognizable offense. Section 173 of the BNSS creates a total mandate for registration, leaving no legal room for mediation or delay. The High Court ruled that a belated FIR or a simple departmental suspension cannot remedy such a significant procedural breach. These officers bypassed an interlocking legal framework designed specifically to provide immediate safety for women. The Madras High Court set a deadline of July 24, 2026 for the officers to pay the 1 lakh rupee compensation. Payment of this fine is the final condition for closing their disciplinary cases. Section 199 of the BNS introduces a new statutory consequence. Failing to record complaints for specific crimes against women now subjects the police officer to criminal prosecution. An officer who refuses to register an FIR for a crime against a woman is now liable to be charged as a criminal under this statute. This 1 lakh rupee fine sets a high-stakes precedent for every police station in India. Informal police settlements for serious crimes have no legal standing. The law is clear. Police exist to enforce the law, not to settle it privately. Dereliction of duty now carries immediate personal financial liability, and it brings the risk of a permanent criminal record.